Okay, welcome back to the shop. Today on the bench, seeing that today is, what is today? Tuesday. See that? May 16th? May 16th. It being Tuesday, we're going to do a 2 for Tuesday. So what we have here is, this is a Wilson A1000. Gentleman said he wanted it relaced. You know, I try to avoid relacing at all costs unless it's broken. Especially in the middle of the season, you know, you're at a point where the glove's nice and broken, it's working. All you need is adjustment, guys. You don't need a full relace. If it's not broke, don't fix it. So we're just gonna adjust his fingers, see how it looks. I'm sure he'll be fine after that. And then we're gonna give him a quick bath. And then the conditioning with, of course, Maven glove balm. That's that one. Now, we have this A2000. This is a 13-inch. These are slow pitch guys. Okay, a little dirty, so we're going to clean him up, you know, super skin, clean up the outside. This one should clean up real nice and look good. Clean and condition, but he's got a busted heel right here. So we're going to throw some lace in there, clean, condition, obviously with Maven glove balm. We're going to get it done on this 2 for Tuesday. And the reason we're doing 2 for Tuesday, we got a lot going on. Had a doubleheader last night, got home late, already got my cardio in. Got my pump on, I'm feeling strong right now, so then I gotta go to work. So I got a full day, I'm just grinding. So if you're not out grinding, I don't know what to tell you, man. Take advantage of the day, man. Take advantage of your day. Let's go. So for reference, to clean the hard stuff, this is I call it a hard brush. So this one's a little more firm. Soft brush, when I use to clean some of the embroidery. And then I got 2 brushes, a wet and a dry one. Dry one's to knock off the dust and the dirt, and the wet one obviously larger areas. So right now we're really focusing on getting, he had his pocket spotted. We're just trying to get all this junk out of here. And then he can put more junk back on if he wants. That's up to him. But when it comes to me, it gets cleaned. And of course, here come the landscapers. Never fails. Every Tuesday morning, every morning someone's doing something back here. The other morning, I was working on something. Mother's Day morning, I was doing one of those crown gloves. Beautiful morning, nice and quiet. I'm out here just working on the glove, got the cameras rolling, and my neighbor decides to come out and vacuum his car. Got all that on camera. Then another neighbor next to me decides he's going to blow pool floats, which I've never seen him blow up anything. I never knew he had a compressor, but he decided to blow up pool floats the entire rest of the video. So Apologize for any background delay, background noises. You know, it is what it is, right? All right, got all that out of there. Let's go. Looking good. Okay, we're gonna take a look at this one. Okay, this is just an adjustment. Real quick. He's not even that bad. I'm just real quick, throw a brush on it, clean them up. Doesn't take much to make those look good. Look at that. What did I tell you? Look at that. That's more than, that's 5 or 6 inches of slack we took out of the fingers. Look at that thing. Sitting nice. See? And this is why I tell people don't relace your glove unless you absolutely have to. This guy's gonna be awesome now. It's nice and tight, fingers are tight. What we're gonna do is we're gonna fix this knot and move him up here. I will leave the extra slack here for the gentleman to cut himself. I don't want to cut it off in case he likes it like that. And then this guy's gonna be good to go after we can condition it. Here we go. All right. For reference point, I left the original knot there, right here, and I re-knotted it up there. So I think he's good to go. Throw a little bit of conditioner, and also, I'm gonna call this out. I can see this guy, he's getting a little bit of dry rot in here. That's a clear indication that he hasn't been conditioning the inside of the palm with a good high quality conditioner, such as Maven. What this is gonna happen, the salt from your hands is gonna start to, sorry about that, the salt from your hands is gonna start to destroy the inner lining of the glove, and then either you throw the glove away and buy a new one, or you spend a ton of money to get someone to re-stitch in some new leather, and that's a big pain in the butt. You don't want to do that. So preventive maintenance, condition the inside. call that one done. Let's get onto this one again. So this one, again, this gentleman said he wants the thing relaced. No, we don't need to do that. All we're going to do is we're going to tighten up the fingers here. We'll look over here, see what the web looks like. Throw some conditioner on here, and the inside of this one looks good, but we're going to condition the inside here, prevent maintenance, prevent any future damage. Look at that. This one we took, you tell me, 8 inches total out of the fingers, tightening them up nice and firm. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Again, I'll leave all the strays on here. If he wants to clip them, he can clip them with some side cutters. Some people like the longer laces, some people don't. So throw some conditioner on here. We're gonna wrap this one up. Okay, thanks for sticking around to the end. We did 2 today, 2 for Tuesday. Here's the A2000. Let's take a good look at it. Looking good. Again, had a little bit of dry rot going on in the palm area, but I think we'll be all right as long as he continues to condition. We cleaned that spot out, and we fixed the busted heel. I think he's gonna be good. And then, last but not least, this A1000 came in. Let's take a good look at him. As we gave these both a bath. You can see a nice clean of labels came out on this one. We conditioned with Maven glove balm, and there's lots of slack. We took lots of slack out of this one. Again, this came in as a he wanted it relaced. I convinced him not to do a relace. I said, let's just do an adjustment. Only replace a lace when it's broken. Unless you want to, I could do whatever you want, or your glove guy can do whatever he wants to, but I recommend don't change laces until you have to change the laces, if that makes sense. Okay, that is it for this one. I appreciate sticking around to the very end. You have any questions or comments, drop them below. Additionally, I've been getting a lot of feedback on our website, mavenglovebalm.com. There's a contact form there. Please reach out to me there. I'm pretty responsive. I'm usually within 24 hours I'll get back to you. Questions are coming in on how to do certain things, some of my techniques, and even I've had some folks question if they can ship me a glove for service, and absolutely. Just send me a note on the from the contact form on the website. I'll communicate with you, and we'll get something arranged to get the glove here on the bench. We'll shoot a video, get it back out to you, and get you or your kid back on the field. Thanks for watching. See you next time.